You're watching CEO.CA. Thank you for being here. In this episode, we're speaking with Tom Drivas. He's the CEO of Appia Rare Earths. Now, this is a company that's managing an ambitious exploration portfolio right now that spans across Canada and Brazil, with major drilling programs underway across rare earth and uranium. Tom, can we start with strategy? How are you prioritizing capital allocation and management attention across these assets?
Overall, we're allocating capital on the basis and trying to balance near-term value creation and long-term strategic growth. In terms of our projects, our PCH project, the Brazilian project, receives the majority of our capital because it's the most advanced one. We've got a NI 4311 resource, and with the drilling that we've done this last few months, we're planning to do another resource, or we're working towards another resource, and we feel that this is the most advanced project that could get us to development in a shorter term. In terms of then the second project, Alces Lake, we're in northern Saskatchewan. We're allocate basically that's our second priority for us. The Saskatchewan government, through the Saskatchewan Research Council, have been building, and it's near finish, near completion, a rare earth processing plant that will be processing monazite. Therefore, there's potentially a lot of synergy. So we've got a very exciting project in the right location, and we'd like to advance that project to the next level.
Well, speaking of Alces Lake in Saskatchewan, it includes 5,000 meters of diamond drilling that targets deep rare earth systems, considered a significant step beyond the near-surface zones that you've been developing so far. What specific indicators or models are driving this deeper exploration strategy?
During the last few years, we've done a lot of work on Alces Lake, and we have discovered extremely high-grade rare earths, basically, on Alces Lake. In different areas, we have developed a number of zones on surface and near surface and deeper zones. But we, based on the geophysics, the geophysical signatures, and based on our drilling, there's strong indications that the mineralization continues at depth. And we have done, last year we finished a airborne gravity survey, and that indicates this potential mineralization down to 1,100 meters, but with a sweet spot at 300 to 500 meters. So on the basis of all these indications, we're planning some more surveys in terms of ground gravity survey to better define our drill targets. And we're planning a 5,000 meters drilling to test these deeper zones and potentially expand the mineralization at depth.
Take a moment to talk about Otherside. This is your program in the Athabasca Basin. It's next to established players like NextGen and Denison. So far, you've identified a 49-kilometer electromagnetic conductor that's said to be larger than those associated with deposits of these said companies. Now, what gives you confidence that your targets can compete with these discoveries, and what would success look like in terms of grade and scale?
The geophysics on the Otherside project indicates, or at least we have very strong evidence, when we compare the signature of the geophysics to the other big deposits in the Athabasca Basin, that there's a strong potential for high-grade uranium mineralization at depth. This 49-kilometer EM conductor, electromagnetic conductor, it has a major break, so at one point with, and this is sort of when you compare it to next gens, for example, deposit, this break, this is much bigger. So we feel that based on what we see so far in the comparison with the other projects, that this could be one of the big discoveries in the area.
Okay, thank you, Tom. We'll leave it there for now. That's Tom Drivas, CEO of Appia Rare Earths. Of course, you can learn a lot more about the company by visiting CEO.CA. Thank you for watching.